when you're doing VHS or either 8mm camera transfers, you need sometimes to open the lid like I did right there. You see, right there in that middle part, that drum, that's the drum that reads the tape, right? And sometimes you need to clean it, right? So you take some alcohol and then you take one of these swabs, right? And you go in there and you clean it, right? And the reason that these are better than just using Q-tips, like that sometimes people use Q-tips. The reason that this is better is because these are non-comedogenic, which means that they don't shed. You see, when you go in there, you clean, and this is going to maintain its integrity, and you won't have sedimentary little pieces of material that go into the drum that reads these tapes and then corrupt the tape or corrupt the reading. So that is why it is important for you to have these same ones, right? Because they are made specifically for that. You go in there, you clean it, nothing is going to shed from this because it is totally solid, and then you'll be able to continue to use for hours, right? The tape players or the cassette players or anything that you're using to clean. This is good for either cassette players, like music cassette players, for VHS tapes, the heads also, you can clean with this, and 8mm heads, you can clean with this. The smaller DAT, I don't recommend because it's a different kind of model. Analog, this is what you use. This way, I don't have the cleaning solution here, I don't think. But you use this, and then I've been doing all like transferring all my tapes, and I've had a lot of use for this because those tapes are old, they're rusty because analog tapes are organized rust, and then sometimes the rust falls off and you're gonna need to clean the head, and this is what you use. Super recommended, lifesaver, because this is going to save you a lot of time.